Hello, I'm Jennifer Bashaw, and welcome to Christianity 125, Summer 2019 online course. Hopefully you have found this button for orientation very easily, and I wanted to just give you an introduction to the course, an introduction to me, and help you navigate a little bit better around the website. So like I said, I'm Dr. Jennifer Bashaw. I am actually from Texas. I went to my undergraduate at Baylor University and then went to Truett Seminary at Baylor University for my Master's of Divinity. My PhD is from Fuller Theological Seminary in Pasadena, California, and the area that I studied was New Testament. What else would you like to know about me? I've been teaching here at Campbell for several years now, and really enjoy teaching Christianity, Intro to Christianity, to students here in the in-class format and also online. Let's see, I have a husband named Kerry, and he works in nonprofit in Raleigh. And then I have 3 sons, Noah, Riley, and Isaac. In the first video that you'll be watching, I'll introduce you to them and you can see pictures of them. Welcome, and I'm excited about this new semester. I think it's going to be a great time of learning about the Bible and learning about church history, and also thinking a little bit about your own relationship to spirituality and to the Bible and to church tradition as well. Let me just give you a very brief introduction to what is going to happen here online. So you've already been to the orientation button, and the other place you will need to go pretty immediately is the syllabus and schedule. So if you will click on that, I will show you. The syllabus is going to tell you a lot of different things. It is going to give you the course description, different learning outcomes that are for this class, your textbooks, which are important. We will be reading through the entire textbook on Introduction to Christianity, so make sure you have that one. This is the preferred Bible that we recommend for this course. It's in the NRSV, or New Revised Standard Version, and so you can find that in the bookstore. But if you have another NRSV, that would work very well. I will be reading when I read out of the Bible, I'll be reading out of the New Revised Standard Version. So if you have another version like King James or anything like that, you may want to go ahead and get another one. It's just going to be difficult to follow along. Other things here in the syllabus that will be important for you will be how the grades are broken up, what are the different assignments and assessments that we have for this course, how much they're worth for your grade, other important things regarding the course, and then what's going to be very helpful to you if you are a person that likes to overview things, is that this schedule and assignments will show you everything that's going on each week. So what topics we're going to be covering, what are the learning outcomes for that week, what are the lectures about, and what are the readings for that week, and then the different assignments. So if I were you and you have access to a printer, I would print this up and then just have it somewhere near where you are, because that will be helpful for you to keep up with everything. Another place you will find this is if you go to weekly content. This is where you will be spending a lot of your time, because this is where the lectures are and all the assignments. I just wanted to show you that briefly. So when you go into the weekly content in week 1, you will see that there is a lecture posted here. It is recorded as a YouTube video. Basically, it is PowerPoint slides with my information on there, but then my voice over it, so you can hear my lecture as well. Sometimes the lectures are broken into different pieces because they only last for 15 minutes each. So just make sure you pay attention to this, but you should be able to go through the weekly content in this order. So watch the lecture, make sure you see what the reading is for that time, and then take the reading quiz, which are 10-minute timed quizzes. And then continue on to more lecture. To if you have an assignment, interpretive assignment, which you will have almost every week, you can click on those and basically use a Word document to do the assignment and then upload it to that particular link there. And continue on through all the different lectures for the week and the different assignments. It will seem like the work is a little heavier towards the beginning. It will taper off a little bit at the end. So make sure that you set aside the time that you need to be able to do these through the week, because you're supposed to get all of the assignments and lectures done during the week. If it's week 1, then during week 1. And also put up your discussion board entries during this time, and respond to one other discussion board as well. At the very bottom here of each weekly content folder will be the PowerPoint lectures for each of the lectures during that week that are just the PowerPoints. So if I end up going a little more quickly than you would like, you can go back to this and you won't have to hear my voice. It will just be the slides, and you can click on those and review if you want to watch one of the videos again, or if you want to watch a video that we had to skip. You can go back and do that. So that should orient you to what is going on in each of these weekly folders, and you will just go week by week through this weekly content. I think that's all I need to introduce you to for right now, but just know that if you have any questions, please email me. I will be available all the time to respond to you, and I should be checking my email, at least daily, probably 3 times or 4 times daily. So I will try to get back to you as soon as possible with any questions that you have. Thank you. And again, welcome to Christianity 125, Introduction to Christianity.